As the moon bathed the night sky in a silvery glow, a mysterious melody drifted through the air, beckoning all who heard it to follow its enchanting rhythm. It was a tune that carried the hopes and dreams of those who dared to dream beyond the ordinary, those who yearned for something extraordinary. In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the cacophony of honking horns and hurried footsteps, a young girl named Lily stood at the threshold of her dreams. Her eyes sparkled with determination, and her heart beat with the rhythm of an unstoppable passion. Lily had always possessed an unyielding spirit, a spirit that refused to accept the limits imposed by the world around her. One fateful day, as she meandered through the bustling streets, she stumbled upon an ancient theater, its doors adorned with faded elegance. The sign above the entrance read, "The Theater of Imagination." Intrigued, Lily pushed open the heavy doors, and as she stepped inside, a wave of nostalgia washed over her. The theater seemed to whisper secrets of forgotten dreams and untold stories. In the dimly lit auditorium, Lily discovered a group of performers rehearsing their routine for an upcoming show. Their graceful movements captivated her, and she felt an invisible thread pulling her toward them. Approaching the director, she mustered the courage to ask if she could join their troupe. The director, a wise and gentle soul named Mr. Marlowe, observed Lily intently. He saw in her eyes the same fire that had once burned within him. Smiling, he welcomed her into the ensemble, believing in her untapped potential. Days turned into weeks, and Lily's dedication and unwavering spirit set her apart. She poured her heart and soul into every rehearsal, pushing herself beyond her limits. The troupe became her second family, guiding her through the intricacies of dance, and teaching her to express herself through movement. Lily's transformation was astounding. Her every step resonated with emotion, every pirouette a testament to her resilience. She discovered that dance was not merely about technique, it was a language of the soul, a way to communicate the deepest parts of oneself to the world. The day of the performance arrived, and the theater was abuzz with anticipation. As the curtain rose, the audience held their breath, unknowingly on the precipice of a transformative experience. Lily and her fellow dancers took to the stage, their bodies in perfect harmony, weaving a story that transcended the limitations of words. With every leap, every turn, Lily's spirit soared higher, unbound by the constraints of gravity. The audience became entranced, swept away by the raw emotions flowing through her movements. They witnessed the power of dreams incarnate, realized through the alchemy of passion and perseverance. The performance concluded to thunderous applause, tears streaming down the faces of those fortunate enough to witness such beauty. The dancers took their final bows, acknowledging the tremendous journey they had embarked upon together. As the applause subsided, Mr. Marlowe stepped forward, his voice resonating with a depth only true wisdom could impart. He addressed the audience, his words carrying the weight of a profound truth. In a world that often tells us to conform, to settle for less, never forget the transformative power of dreams. They can shape our destinies, elevate us beyond the ordinary, and remind us that the extraordinary lies within our grasp. And in that moment, Lily realized that her journey had just begun. Her performance had not only touched the hearts of those who witnessed it but had ignited a spark within them, reminding them of the dreams they had long forgotten. From that day forward, Lily and the troupe traveled far and wide, taking their dance of dreams to every corner of the world. Their story became a beacon of inspiration, reminding people that no dream is too big and no obstacle is insurmountable. They showed the world that when passion meets persistence, the extraordinary becomes attainable. And so, dear friends, may you remember the dance of dreams, and may it serve as a reminder that within each of us lies a universe of untapped potential. Embrace your dreams, for they hold the power to transform your life and inspire others along the way. Dream fearlessly, dance with abandon, and watch as the world moves to the rhythm of your beating heart.